Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to share a calendar now. First, sign into your Google account and open Google Calendar in a browser. Mobile apps follow later. Once there, find My Calendars, click the three-dot menu for the calendar you want, then choose Settings and Sharing. You need to pick the sharing method up front. Either add specific people by email or choose Make Available to Public for broader visibility. Start with specific people if you need control. Public sharing is simpler but less private. Now add recipients and set permissions so they can do exactly what you want. Click Add People, type each email, and pick a permission level. See only free or busy when you want privacy. See all event details for transparency, or make changes if collaborators edit events. Once done, save and consider Integrate Calendar to get a shareable link or embed code using the calendar ID. That's useful for websites or shared intranets. Make sure to explain permission implications to recipients. Finish by saving and notifying people. Google often emails invites automatically, but prompt them to add the calendar if needed. Once done, test from another account or an incognito window so you see what others see. This confirms permissions and public access. If recipients can't view it, check you edited the correct calendar, not a duplicate. Verify permission levels, and ensure their account synced on their device. A common fix: revoke and re-add the person or toggle public setting, then retest to clear caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.